Hey everyone! Today, we're going to learn all about how to take care of our furry friends by understanding what they eat. Who here has a dog or knows someone who has one? Awesome! Dogs are amazing pets, and just like us, they need the right food to stay healthy and happy. First, let's talk about the different types of dog food. There are three main types: wet food, dry food, and homemade food. Let's break them down. Wet dog food is like a yummy stew for dogs. It has a lot of water in it, which helps keep them hydrated. It smells really good. So many dogs love it, but it can be more expensive and doesn't last long once you open it. Wet dog food contains up to 78% moisture. This helps keep dogs hydrated, especially if they don't drink enough water. Next is dry dog food, also called kibble. This is crunchy and helps clean dogs' teeth as they chew. It's usually cheaper and lasts a long time, but some dogs might not like it as much. Kibble was first invented in the 1860s. It was made to help make feeding dogs easier and more convenient. Plus, many brands add special ingredients to promote dental health. Finally, we have homemade dog food. This is when you make the food yourself. You can choose what goes into it, which is great if your dog has allergies. But it takes time to prepare, and you need to make sure it has all the right nutrients. Some pet owners use ingredients like sweet potatoes and brown rice in homemade dog food because they are healthy and safe for dogs. Now that we know about the types of food, let's talk about what makes a good diet for dogs. Dogs need proteins to help their muscles grow strong. They also need fats for energy and to keep their skin healthy. Carbohydrates are important too because they give dogs energy. And just like us, dogs need vitamins and minerals to stay healthy. Some important vitamins include vitamin A for vision and vitamin D for bone health. Dogs can get some vitamins from fruits and vegetables. For example, carrots are not only safe, but also great for their eyesight. Don't forget that fresh water is super important too. Dogs should always have access to clean water to stay hydrated. Now, here's something very important. There are some foods that are dangerous for dogs. Can anyone guess what they might be? Here are some foods you should never give to dogs: chocolate, onions, grapes, and anything with xylitol. That's a sweetener. These can make dogs very sick. Also avoid giving them fatty foods like bacon or fried foods because these can lead to serious health problems. Even small amounts of chocolate can be harmful because it contains a substance called theobromine that dogs can't process well. Always keep chocolate out of reach. Did you know that puppies, adult dogs, and senior dogs all have different needs? Let's see how. Puppies need lots of protein because they're growing fast. They eat more often, about 3 to 4 times a day. Puppy food is specially made for their growth. Adult dogs need balanced meals with less protein than puppies but still need good nutrition. They should eat twice a day. Senior dogs need special care too. They often need more protein to keep their muscles strong, but fewer calories because they don't play as much. Senior dog food usually contains added joint support ingredients like glucosamine. The nutritional needs of dogs change as they age, just like humans. That's why it's important to feed them the right type of food for their life stage. Here are some helpful tips for feeding your dog. Always read the labels on dog food to see what's inside. Look for high-quality ingredients like real meat and whole grains. If you change your dog's food, do it slowly over about a week so their tummy doesn't get upset. Keep an eye on your dog's weight. If they start getting too heavy or too thin, talk to a vet. Remember that treats should only be a small part of their diet. No more than 10%. Use healthy treats like carrots or small pieces of apple instead of store-bought ones. And always ask your vet. If you're unsure about what to feed your dog, or if your dog has special health needs, make mealtime fun. You can use puzzle toys that dispense food or treats as your dog plays with them. This keeps them mentally stimulated while they eat. Some brands of dog food add probiotics to help with digestion, just like yogurt does for humans. So remember, taking care of a dog means understanding their diet and making sure they eat healthy foods at every stage of their life. Do you have any questions about what we learned today? Great job today, everyone! Now you know how to help our furry friends live happy and healthy lives. Thank you for watching. See you on another video.